Many of the classical dance forms within the parts of India have been evolved on the Guru Shishya Parampara or the student-teacher relationship. The passing of the tradition from one generation to another generation has been a peculiarity of our dance forms. Not just the dance form, but also the gharanas of music and perhaps drama as well. Here is a prayer, a shlokam dedicated to the teacher or the guru, the ultimate source of information and knowledge. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. We are talking about the Trinity, the mythological Trinity from our religion, the Hindu religion, the creator, the preserver, and the destroyer. The creator, Brahma, a Pataka and a Arala, a simple writing of the notes, or creating the Purans. Vishnu, Mushti, and Suchi, with the legs stretched forward, heel down, Vishnu. Maheshwara, Shiva, Pataka again, and another Pataka. So the balance between the creator, preserver, and the destroyer has been celebrated here. But who gave us the knowledge? It is the teacher. So here's a salutation or a thank you note to all those teachers who have inspired us, who's given us the knowledge and the correct source of righteousness, telling us what is right to what is wrong, telling us to take a left or to take a right. The experience that they've gathered over the years has been shadowed down, has been passed on to the coming generations.